I don't think there's any bad time of day to eat an omelette. They're so quick and easy to make, you can whip one up in no time. Hi, I'm Becca, one of the chefs here at Waitrose Cookery School. Today I'm going to show you how to make a classic omelette. Key ingredients are eggs, butter and just a little bit of seasoning, and then you're good to go. The link to the full recipe is in the description. Let's get cracking. First things first, let's get our pans on to heat. We want it on a medium heat. We're using the Longstock Gold eggs. These eggs are absolutely delicious. They've got a really vibrant gold yolk, and this is absolutely perfect for your finished omelette. So you want to whisk these until the eggs are super smooth and you don't have any long bits of egg white in there. Try letting it run through the fork and it should run really nice and easily, like so. I'm going to add in a pinch of salt and then mix that through. So we're going to get our butter in the pan now. So I've got 20 grams here of unsalted butter. We've seasoned our eggs, so we want to use unsalted butter. Get all the butter into the pan and it should bubble and start melting. But you don't want the butter to turn brown. That would indicate that your pan's probably got a little bit too hot. Now the butter's all melted, we can add the eggs into the pan. So in we go. We're going to start scrambling the eggs in the pan until they start to set. A non-stick pan is so essential for making a good omelette. Otherwise, you're sort of going to end up with scrambled egg. I think we've all been there before. I love a good stringy bit of cheese when you bite into your omelette. But there's loads of other things you could add in there. Some ham, some chorizo, some tomato, some fresh herbs. Lots and lots of different varieties you can make with it. So once your omelette is starting to set and you can lift it up a bit and see underneath, that's a good sign. It's not quite done on top, but as we fold it, it's going to carry on cooking. So I'm going to start folding my omelette now. So you want to tip up the pan a little bit so that you use the help of gravity here and fold the omelette over. I'm ready to serve up now. Got my plate here with a little side salad, and now we can just tip the omelette out onto the plate. I've got some chives here. All I'm going to do is just slice through these nice and thinly and then sprinkle them over the top. You could use any herbs that you've got really. You could use, definitely parsley would work really well, and finish off with some cracked black pepper as well. That's it guys, that's how to make a classic omelette. It's simple, it's delicious, you're probably always going to have the ingredients in, so give this one a go, you're not going to regret it.